Starting around 13 September 2023, Cardano, in every way that really matters, is exchanging at 25 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in especially most recent 60 minutes. ADA fundamentally has an in every way that really matters complete market cap of $8,707,140,472, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $117,764,595, or so they basically thought. This basically makes Cardano, ADA, kind of positioning at 7 in the cryptographic money market, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023. What will Cardano truly be essentially worth in 2023, which truly is genuinely critical? Is Cardano a by and large wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a very significant manner? Will ADA cost generally outperform its unsurpassed all things considered high in a kind of significant way? These truly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in an unpretentious manner. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. As per the Cardano conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost fundamentally is supposed to, in every practical sense, cross a genuinely normal value level of 34 cents, the normal kind of least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the by and large current year, ought to generally be 33 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, ADA can really arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of 37 cents. Cardano value figure August 2023. The by and large normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could explicitly go to 31 cents toward August 2023 in an unobtrusive manner's end. ADA could fundamentally be exchanging around a very greatest worth of 31 cents, with the very least expected cost of 28 cents in a quite huge manner. Cardano value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the greatest cost for Cardano could by and large stretch around 33 cents. Which especially is genuinely critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 in a real sense is 30 cents with a typical cost of 31 cents, which in a real sense is very huge. Cardano value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Cardano sort of is supposed to especially be at around a by and large least of 31 cents. Which shows that ADA especially has an especially all-out market cap of $8,707,140,472, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $117,764,595. Cardano cost can generally arrive at an especially limit of 34 cents, with the really normal cost of 32 cents in United States dollars. For the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Cardano basically is supposed to generally be at around and in every practical sense, least of 32 cents, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Cardano cost can explicitly arrive at a kind of limit of 36 cents, with the extremely normal cost of 33 cents in United States dollars. So in a real sense is Cardano a kind of wise speculation, or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is genuinely huge. Cardano value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the greatest cost for Cardano could really stretch around 37 cents in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in December 2023 in a real sense is 33 cents. With a really normal cost of 34 cents. Cardano pretty past value examination, in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been most certainly diminished by 0.26% in its essentially current worth amazingly. Assuming we in a real sense look at the exceptionally current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap generally is likewise down, which is genuinely huge. Cardano especially is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins in an especially significant manner. The ADA generally is down to nearly 3.01% in the especially most recent 7 days, which generally is genuinely huge. The coin by and large is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for truly past essentially couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have areas of strength for certainly at the same time. We don't basically feel that it would a productive resource in fundamentally present moment, which generally is very huge. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, The cost of ADA in every practical sense diminished by 44.637%, dispensing with an astounding certainly normal amount of 20 cents from its truly current worth. Which sort of shows that the coin certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for truly past in every practical sense. Not many days. The coin could truly have areas of strength for exceptionally at the same time. We don't generally imagine that it would a productive resource and kind of transient in an essentially large manner. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin most certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a generally excellent in a real sense purchase and open door for truly fast venture, which especially shows that this explicitly makes Cardano ADA sort of positioning at 7 in the digital currency market in a really significant manner. The 90 days cost change really is near 34.68%, and the cost in every practical sense coursed from an essentially least exceptionally normal cost of 37 cents to in every practical sense greatest fundamentally normal cost of 39 cents. In the sort of beyond 90 days kind of additional appearance how the coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for especially passed by in large couple of days. The coin could fundamentally have most areas of strength for certainly yet. We don't especially imagine that it would a productive resource and especially transient in an unpretentious manner. Cardano truly is somewhere around 7.85%. With the genuinely greatest truly normal cost of the coin explicitly was around 27 cents, and the genuinely least by and large normal cost of truly was around 26 cents in kind of beyond 4 months fundamentally further appearance. How Cardano cost can arrive at a kind of limit of 36 cents, with the truly normal cost of 33 cents in United States dollars. So generally is Cardano a wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023? Truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano value estimate 2023 facts. What will for the most part be Cardano especially worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? The ADA cost truly is determined to in every practical sense arrive at an especially most extreme degree of 37 cents, with pretty least cost of 33 cents, toward the finish of 2023, showing how this unexpected down certainly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a great certainly purchase a potential open door for kind of speedy venture, which in a real sense shows that this basically makes Cardano ADA by and large positioning at 7 in the cryptographic money market, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Does Cardano especially have a future, or so they in a real sense thought? As far as value, Cardano by and large has an exceptional in every practical sense potential to fundamentally arrive at new levels, which explicitly shows that will ADA cost generally outperform its record-breaking